Hike and fly is pure awesomeness, especially on gear with some lightness. I was therefore excited to get my hands on AustriAlpin's new Stratus, which I found to be both lightweight and vivacious, without requiring me to be quite this courageous. Carrying the Powerflies is simply too arduous, and at 30 or 40 millimeters, many others are simply too spacious, despite their weight occasionally being advantageous. Unfortunately, there is a problem with the new Stratus, as it has a big fat chunk of plastic that is entirely fallacious. Fitting with a mountain harness requires dramatic changes. A hot knife, pliers, and a screwdriver are required for 2 stages. Starting with cuts in 1, 2, 3 places, you must then pry and force off with much greatness. The plastic is incredibly tenacious, which makes it a bit dangerous, especially if you are a complete ignoramus. The final result looks absolutely heinous, but AustriAlpin assured me it is not disadvantageous. In the end, you have a 25 millimeter, 58 gram functioning carabiner, which is, wait for it, outrageous.